How to download attachments in AOL Mail. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download attachments in AOL Mail. Now to download attachment in AOL Mail is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply open up your AOL Mail app and make sure you're logged into your account here, and what you want to do is you want to open up the mail that you received the attachment from. Now if you tap on the attachment section at the top of your screen, then it should show you all the attachments as well. However, if not, what you can do is you can simply head into your inbox and it will show up here. Now here in my case, I've just sent attachment. I don't have any received one, but I'll just be showing you because the process is similar. Simply open up the mail that you want to download the attachment from, and if you open it, and here you can see I've got a picture as an attachment here. You want to simply tap on the particular attachment, and at the bottom you can see download option. There you can see delete and other options as well. You can simply tap on download and it should download it. So you can see it's downloading. You can cancel it if you want, or you can simply let it be and it'll be downloaded, and you can see it's been downloaded and I can open it. So this way you can download attachments on AOL Mail. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.